Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you all, students? Hopefully, you all will be fine and safe. And hopefully, you have done the homework which I have given you in the previous lecture number 2B. Today, you know that we are going to study English language, and it is my lecture number 3B. But before starting the lecture, I would like to share a beautiful thought with you. The thought is like as if you start your day with Bismillah, I am sure you will end it with Alhamdulillah. यानी अगर आप अपना दिन बिस्मिल्लाह कह कर शुरू करते हो, अल्लाह ताला को याद करके शुरू करते हो, तो मुझे यकीन है कि आप अपना दिन जब ख़त्म करोगे, यानी रात के वक्त, उस वक्त भी आप अल्लाह ताला को याद करोगे और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कहोगे, अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करोगे, यानी आप अल्लाह को याद करोगे, याद रखोगे आप. Okay, now my dear students, we will move towards our topic. As you know that we were studying the chapter nouns. In this chapter I have given you few exercises in the homework. So the first exercise which I have given you in the homework, that is at the page number 3, exercise B. I have given is 5 points in homework. So first I will solve it. Okay, I will read the sentences and then I will tell you the answers. Hopefully you have done the exercise, but please tell your answers with me. Okay, pick out the nouns in the sentences below and say what kind they are. Noun बताने हैं और उनकी kind बतानी है आपने. Okay, first sentence, the ship along with its crew has been saved. Ship is the common noun, crew it is the collective noun. Next sentence, the height of Mount Everest is 8848 meters. Okay, Mount Everest it is the proper noun. Okay, now next is the National Museum has a good collection of art crafts. Okay, art facts. So the National Museum it is a proper noun, and art facts it is the countable noun. Okay, countable noun. Next, the audience, number 4 sentence, the audience it is the collective noun. Audience received the play with a thunderous applause. Okay, audience it is the collective noun. Okay, thunderous it is the common. It is not the noun, but it is adjective, so please don't mention it, just leave it. Okay, next is the modern buildings are mostly made of concrete and steel. Buildings, common noun, countable noun, right? And concrete it is the material noun, steel it is the material noun. Okay, concrete and steel they both will be taken as the material noun. Okay students, so hopefully you have tally your answers. ठीक है, बिल्डिंग्स में आप जो है इन द 5th सेंटेंस, मॉडर्न बिल्डिंग्स जो है काउंटेबल भी है और साथ में कॉमन नाउन भी है, तो आप दोनों लिख सकते हैं इसमें, बोथ आर राइट, दोनों लिख सकते हैं. एंड कंक्रीट एंड द स्टील दैट इज द मटेरियल नाउन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. The next exercise it is the exercise number C. Please look at the page number 3. Below it there is the exercise C. The question is fill in the blanks with the nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. Okay students, number 1 point, I'm telling you the answers, please tell the answers. Okay, with me. Number 1, there is a dash for an accountant at this firm. Okay, the word is given here vacant. Vacant से आपने यहाँ पे noun बनाना है. So the sentence will be there is a vacancy for an accountant at this firm. Okay, the answer will be vacancy. Number 2 is the only fools are softened by a dash flattering. Only fools are softened by flattering. यानी जो बेवकूफ़ लोग होते हैं वो खुशामद के ज़रिए, बेवकूफ़ जो लोग होते हैं वो खुशामद के ज़रिए नरम पड़ जाते हैं या बात सुन लेते हैं. ओके, द फूल्स आर सॉफ्टन्ड बाय फ्लैटरिंग. ओके, फ्लैटर से बनाना है यहाँ पे. Number 3, what dash do I have in this matter? So choose से है, ठीक है. Answer will be choice. Okay. Number 4, he ignored the dash I gave him. Advice. Spelling will be ADVICE. ठीक है. वर्ब के स्पेलिंग होते हैं ADVICE, जो ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है. एडवाइस ब्रैकेट में वर्ब दिए हुए हैं, वर्ब से आपने नाउन बनाने हैं. ओके. तो इसका जो नाउन आएगा आंसर में, दैट विल बी ADVICE. एडवाइस. ही इग्नोर्ड द एडवाइस आई गेव हिम. Number 5 sentence, his observation during the experiment provided valuable insight to the team. Okay, so the answer will be observation. Number 6, increase in temperature is an indication of climate. Number 6, there are two words, increase ही रहेगा, ठीक है. Increase in temperature is an indication of climate. Okay. Next is the of climate change in the world. Sorry, increase in temperature is an indication of climate change in the world. Next sentence is number 7. His refusal, refuse से है, ठीक है. His refusal of the invitation added to my disappointment. Okay. His refusal of the invitation added to my disappointment. Number 8, it is generally the dash carelessness. It is generally the carelessness of the drivers that leads to road accidents. Number 9, the government has made several policies to uplift farmers from poverty. POVERTY, poverty. Okay. Number 10, the lawyer took permission for a few days of absence from the court. ठीक है. फर्स्ट में परमिशन, सेकेंड में एब्सेंस. द लॉयर took permission for a few days of absence from the court. Okay students, you have done it. Number 10, these are the 10 sentences which I have given you in the homework. So please hopefully you have you have done this, but it will be better if you tally the answers with the lecture. Now students, you can see the spellings of this exercise जो अभी हमने सॉल्व की है अभी रिसेंटली, ठीक है ना. अभी राइट नाउ जो हमने सॉल्व की है एक्सरसाइज C, इसी के आंसर्स जो है स्क्रीन पे नज़र आ रहे होंगे. नंबर 1 में आई हैव रिटन हियर द स्पेलिंग. द नंबर 1 वर्ड इज वैकेंसी, VACANCY, वैकेंसी. फ्लैटरिंग. नंबर 2 फ्लैटरिंग. नंबर 3 चॉइस. नंबर 4 advice. You can see number 4 advice, ADVICE. Look at the spelling and write the spelling carefully. Okay students, and number 5 the word will be observation. Number 6 increase or indication. Number 7 refusal and disappointment. दो वर्ड्स आएंगे, refusal पहले ब्लैंक में, सेकेंड ब्लैंक में disappointment. Number 8 carelessness. Number 9 poverty. Okay, number 9 poverty. Number 10 you can see on the screen permission, absence. ठीक है, these are the answers. Okay, now move towards the next exercise students, which I have given you in the homework. That is the exercise at the page number is 4. Exercise E, change the following words into nouns by adding a suffix. Okay, यानी आप आगे जो है कुछ लेटर्स लगा के, सफिक्स लगा के इसको आपने इन वर्ड से नाउन बनाना है. तो नंबर 1 वर्ड इज़ द डिफ़िकल्ट. सो डिफ़िकल्टी, नाउन इज़ द डिफ़िकल्टी. एंक्शियस यानी परेशान होना, एंक्शियस होना, यानी जस्तजू करना कोई चीज़ जानने की, एंक्शियस. इट इज़ द एंग्जाइटी. नंबर 3 रेफर, रेफरेंस. नंबर 4 रफनेस. नंबर 5 जजमेंट. Number 6 responsible, responsibility. Number 7 seriousness. Number 8 performance is the noun. Number 9 modesty. सिर्फ वाई लगा देंगे लास्ट में, modesty. Number 10 deny. The noun will be denial, DENIAL. Denial is the noun. Okay students, so these are the answers of this exercise. These are the nouns of the exercise. Okay students, now on the screen you can see the answers, the spellings. Number 1 noun is difficult से difficulty. anxious, anxiety. Refer, reference. Number 4, rough, roughness. Number 5, judge, judgment. Number 6, responsible, responsibility. Number 7, serious से seriousness. नंबर 8, परफॉर्म से परफॉर्मेंस, MANCE, ठीक है, परफॉर्मेंस लास्ट में PERFORMANC, परफॉर्मेंस. नंबर 9, मॉडेस्टी. Number 10, denial, DENIAL, denial. Okay, these are the nouns given here. Now we will move towards the next exercise today. Okay, it is the exercise number, it is a page number 5 and exercise number is F. ठीक है, exercise F. टुडे वी विल डू दिस एक्सरसाइज स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, ये तो पिछली एक्सरसाइज जो हमने डिस्कस की थी अभी आज जो है हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे ये वाली. ठीक है, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइज नंबर F. ठीक है, रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस, आइडेंटिफाई वेदर द अंडरलाइंड नाउन्स आर काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल. वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है, काउंटेबल में C लिखना है, अनकाउंटेबल में UC लिखना है. ओके, अनकाउंटेबल UC. नंबर 1, द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. ओके, द वर्ड्स आर अंडरलाइंड हेयर. The children are playing in the garden. Children are countable. Okay, countable हो गया, countable noun हो गया. I don't like milk. Milk is uncountable. Okay, I have written the answers on in the book. You can see the answers students. ठीक है, I prefer tea. Tea uncountable. Scientists say that the environment is threatened by pollution. ठीक है, so scientists are countable. My mother uses butter to prepare cakes. Butter is uncountable. Okay, there are a lot of windows in our classroom. Windows are countable. Number 7, we need some glue to fix this vase. Okay, glue is uncountable. The waiters in this restaurant are very professional. Waiters are countable. Number 9, my father drinks 2 big glasses of water every morning. Okay, glasses countable. Number 10, the bread my mother bakes is delicious. Okay, bread is uncountable. Okay students, so these are the answers. It is very easy exercise, so please do it in the book and copy. Okay, now students, in the last I'm moving towards the homework. I'm going towards the homework students. Please look at the page number 4. Okay, and look at this exercise number D. Okay, the question is like, as sort the underlined nouns in the following conversation and list them in the appropriate column below. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक बॉक्स बना हुआ है, टेबलर फॉर्म में एक बॉक्स बना हुआ है. इसमें लिखा हुआ है, एक पैराग्राफ है. इसमें एक पैराग्राफ में, हेलो राजा, लेट्स गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड हैव सम कॉफ़ी. दैट्स अ गुड सजेशन. शैल वी गो टू बिस्ट्रो? इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस. I went there on my birthday with my family. When was your birthday and what did you on that day? It was on 23rd June. I had a party with my friends and family and had a lot of fun. I got many presents too. Aunt Jennifer gave me a ring made of gold and diamonds, and my sister gave me a big bouquet of red roses. Okay students, that is the paragraph. It is the paragraph students, and you can see that the words are underlined here, so you have to write these words in the appropriate column. ठीक है, in the columns the headings are like proper noun, concrete noun, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, कलेक्टिव नाउन, मटेरियल नाउन. ठीक है, सारे दिए हैं, तो हमने जो है जो वर्ड जिस नाउन से मैच करता है उस कॉलम में वो वर्ड आपने आंसर में लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द होमवर्क. So please do it in the book. Okay, in the book में कर लेगा ये वाला, तो easy exercise है, so do it in the book. It's easy. Okay, you can do it in the book, or you can do it in the copy also, right? So do it in the copy and book, both. दोनों में कर लें. ठीक है, so you can send the pic after doing it in the group, so I can check it. Students, okay, hopefully I think you have no problem in the exercise. In the chapter we are studying it in very detail. Please do it. Allah Hafiz.